Get ready, celestial explorers. We're about to dive into the captivating world of Gemini. Known for their quick wit and dual nature, the twins Gemini's dual nature is about to take us on a wild ride. Just don't be surprised if we end up chatting with both sides of the same person. Stay tuned, it's going to be twice the fun. Gemini, born between May 21st and June 20th, is one of the most intriguing signs of the zodiac, known for its dual nature and boundless curiosity. Represented by the twins, Gemini is a sign that embodies the concept of duality, balancing the contrasting forces within them. Ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, Gemini thrives on interaction, versatility, and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. As we delve into the personality traits and challenges that define Gemini, we uncover a rich tapestry of qualities that make this sign both fascinating and complex. Gemini is adaptable and versatile. Imagine a chameleon that changes its colors to blend into its surroundings. This is how a Gemini operates in social settings. They possess a remarkable ability to adapt to any situation, effortlessly adjusting their behavior, tone, and approach to suit the environment. Whether in a boardroom, at a social gathering, or during an intellectual debate, Geminis know how to fit in. This adaptability is a significant strength, as it allows them to thrive in diverse situations, making them excellent multitaskers and quick thinkers. Their versatility means they can juggle multiple interests and activities at once, keeping life dynamic and exciting. At the core of Gemini's personality is an insatiable curiosity. They are natural-born learners, always eager to explore new ideas, cultures, and experiences. This curiosity often leads them to delve into various topics, from science and technology to art and philosophy. Gemini's mind is like a sponge, soaking up information from every source available. This quest for knowledge makes them excellent conversationalists, as they can discuss a wide range of subjects with ease. However, their curiosity isn't just limited to intellectual pursuits. They are equally interested in understanding the people around them, which makes them empathetic listeners and insightful observers of human nature. Ruled by Mercury, the messenger planet, Gemini is a master of communication. They have a way with words, whether spoken or written, and can articulate their thoughts clearly and persuasively. Geminis are natural storytellers, captivating their audience with their wit, humor, and charm. They thrive in environments where they can engage in meaningful dialogue, share ideas, and exchange information. Their expressive nature isn't just limited to language. Geminis are often drawn to artistic pursuits, using various forms of expression to convey their ideas and emotions. Geminis are social butterflies, thriving on interaction and connection with others. They are often the life of the party, effortlessly engaging with people from all walks of life. Their outgoing nature makes them approachable and easy to talk to, which explains why they often have a wide circle of friends. Geminis enjoy the diversity of human experiences and are always eager to learn from others. Their social nature isn't just about having fun. It's also a way for them to gather new perspectives and insights, which they can then integrate into their ever-evolving worldview. Now that we've uncovered the vibrant personality traits of Gemini, it's time to dive into the challenges they face. Hold on tight, because just like a Gemini, these challenges can be double the trouble. Indecisiveness. The dual nature of Gemini, symbolized by the twins, can sometimes lead to inner conflict and indecisiveness. Geminis are constantly weighing options, considering the pros and cons of every decision. They may find themselves torn between multiple choices, unsure of which path to take. This indecisiveness can be frustrating for both Geminis and those around them, as it can lead to delays and missed opportunities. To overcome this challenge, Geminis need to learn how to trust their instincts and make decisions with confidence. Restlessness. Geminis have a need for constant stimulation, which can sometimes lead to restlessness and a lack of focus. They are easily bored and may struggle to stick with a single task or project for an extended period. This restlessness can result in a tendency to start many projects without finishing them, leaving a trail of unfinished ideas in their wake. While their curiosity drives them to explore new territories, it can also prevent them from fully committing to any one pursuit. To counteract this, Geminis must practice mindfulness and develop the discipline to see things through to completion. Inconsistency. The mutable nature of Gemini means that they are constantly changing, which can lead to inconsistency in their behavior, opinions, and commitments. What excites a Gemini one day may bore them the next. This inconsistency can be challenging for those around them, who may struggle to keep up with Gemini's shifting interests and moods. It can also create difficulties in maintaining long-term commitments, whether in relationships, work, or personal goals. To address this challenge, Geminis need to work on developing a sense of stability and consistency, finding ways to balance their need for change with the importance of reliability. Gemini is a sign of complexity and contradiction, embodying both the light and dark aspects of human nature. Their adaptability, curiosity, and communicative abilities make them dynamic and engaging individuals who can navigate a wide range of situations with ease. However, their dual nature also presents challenges, such as indecisiveness, restlessness, and inconsistency. By recognizing these challenges and working to overcome them, Geminis can unlock their full potential, turning their natural talents into lasting strengths. As we continue our celestial journey, Gemini reminds us of the importance of adaptability, curiosity, and communication in our lives. Their story is one of constant evolution and growth, as they learn to balance their dual nature and harness their boundless energy. In the next chapter of our celestial journey, as we venture into the heart of the zodiac, we've danced through Gemini's world of duality and curiosity. But the cosmic clock ticks onward, drawing us into the nurturing embrace of Cancer. What secrets lie beneath the surface of this protective sign? Next week, prepare to delve into the mysteries of Cancer, where emotions run deep and the bonds of home and family take center stage. Get ready, because the next chapter in our celestial journey is just around the corner.